The future of AI, lead scoring, integrating with emerging technologies. AnyBiz. AI lead scoring optimizes sales by identifying top leads using smart algorithms. Emerging technologies like IoT, blockchain, and AR further enhance this process. Companies need to adopt these innovations to stay competitive. This video explores their impact on lead scoring and business success. Lead scoring used to be guesswork, but early AI improved speed. Now, tools like AnyBiz use advanced AI to understand subtle buyer signals, making scoring intuitive and leveling the playing field for smaller businesses. Emerging technologies are reshaping AI lead scoring. The IoT provides rich consumer data, blockchain enhances data integrity, XR deepens understanding of consumer intent, and edge computing increases speed and security. Together, they promise to revolutionize lead qualification and enhance customer engagement. Integrating AI lead scoring with IoT enhances sales by using data from smart devices to identify hot leads. For example, increased use of a coffee machine can signal a potential opportunity. Real-time tracking allows AI to instantly adjust lead scores based on current interactions, enabling proactive engagement. If a lead visits a store, the AI can quickly raise their score and send a tailored offer, turning insights into immediate action. Blockchain transforms lead scoring by ensuring data integrity and transparency through immutable records and reliable interaction histories. It allows for decentralized management with real-time updates and gives leads control over their data, fostering trust. This technology promises a future of more dependable and valuable lead data for businesses. Extended reality XR boosts lead scoring by enabling virtual product demos. AI tracks customer interactions, revealing interest levels and pain points. For example, if a lead explores cost-saving features, the AI can flag them for targeted follow-up, enhancing lead scoring accuracy. Augmented reality, AR, enhances B2B sales by letting prospects visualize products in their own space. This engagement provides valuable insights for lead scoring, indicating interest and refining follow-ups. Overall, XR technologies improve the accuracy of AI-driven lead scoring. Edge computing revolutionizes lead scoring by processing data at the source, enabling instant updates and faster responses. It enhances privacy by localizing data, reducing breach risks, and ensuring compliance. This tech speeds up lead scoring while boosting security and trust. Companies using AI lead scoring face challenges like data privacy compliance, complex integration, and a skills gap in the workforce. Rapid tech changes also require adaptable solutions for effective implementation. AnyBiz enhances lead scoring using AI to analyze behavior and engagement, predicting conversion likelihood. It updates lead scores in real time, ensuring timely follow-ups. The platform suggests personalized engagement strategies, boosting conversion rates and shortening sales cycles. With continuous learning and easy CRM integration, AnyBiz makes AI insights accessible to all, revolutionizing lead scoring and sales efficiency. AnyBiz is offering a no-strings-attached 7-day free trial of their cutting-edge AI lead scoring platform. No credit card required, no hidden fees, just pure AI-driven lead scoring power at your fingertips. Stay in the know, like, and subscribe to never miss a beat on our latest releases.